Local news for Monday the 17th of June. Two light planes have crashed near Hughes Line yesterday morning south of Masterton's Hood Aerodrome. Emergency services responded to the incident about 11:15 yesterday morning, which has claimed the lives of two people. The collision between the two aircraft was witnessed by a helicopter pilot. The Civil Aviation Authority are now investigating. A just published stocktake of forests in the Greater Wellington region reveals the extent of historic clearing and shows that much of what's left is vulnerable or in danger of being lost. Forest habitat ecosystems once covered 782 hectares in the Wellington region. Roughly 214,000 has now remained, about 27% of historic cover. Rebel Bakehouse is a finalist in the Innovation Award for Gold in the 2019 Wellington Gold Awards, following the launch of its new range of wraps featuring cricket and hemp flowers in March. Other Wairarapa businesses include the likes of Rival Wealth and Wairarapa Eco Farm, who are also up for Gold Awards. And in sport, the Wairarapa United women's team are through to the next round of the Kate Shepherd Cup after a 2-1 win at the weekend over Western Suburbs. In Premier Rugby, Marister upset Ekarahuna 26-21. Carterton beat East Coast 41-5, while Greytown put Martinborough 15-13.